do it early.
What up?
Okay. So I show up and Donald's car is half apart. What are you doing?
Trying to drop my bitch.
You were trying to do what?
Drop my bitch.
So, did you do the rears yet?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep. That's completely lowered. Down.
Really?
Yeah. It's a good height, right? I'm just kidding. They're stock.
What's up, guys? So if you guys watched yesterday's video, we got RJ's Miata hitting on the road. We're gonna mess with a few things today. Gotta fix a coolant leak. I want to pull some more fuel out of the map, get it hitting a little bit harder, and do a few more shakedowns. But this thing is unreal. Completely surpassed all my expectations. I can't wait to give a ride along to all the guys here. But DJ starting the day off doing his coilovers, the BCs we actually got from Adam LZ. So huge shout out to Adam and huge shout out to BC. We got a crazy deal. Make sure you go check them out. And if you're gonna buy a set, buy them on Adam's website. Hook him up too. So put the link in the description. They sell them for every single freaking car you can imagine, and they ride amazing. I have them on my BMW. I kind of want to upgrade on here. We'll see. Look at the new whip. Is this your new daily?
Unfortunately. Okay, so I got the fronts in. Super easy. They look bitchin' compared to these.
Ew.
So now I am going to start the backs, start taking all the lining out of the back, take those out, put the rears in, and crank them as low as they can go, obviously. Tuck's keeping me company as well, as always. Oh, he's got a tick. He got a tick. He got a tick.
You got a tick?
He's got a tick. He's got a tick. Tick alert. Tick alert.
Ew. This early in the season?
So if you guys remember back in Florida, we had to cut the studs to fit the spacers on. So we're putting some extendos on it.
Finally got these things to freaking seat. So they sell this tool right here. It's basically like, has the taper of a lug nut, but it has a bearing on it. So when you actually blast on studs, it doesn't put any friction against the hub, so you can put them on easier, and this really saved the day. So Drew had 2 extra tires, so we threw money into Leslie's. They're kind of an ugly tire, but at least they clear. DJ has the rear on, and it looks a little low, but we'll see how she fits. You think she's gonna fit?
I ain't scared.
What is that, Donald?
I ain't scared.
Try hide. You getting it right, Donald?
Yes, sir.
Damn! That did a lot. Luke, what you think?
Yo, that's hot, man.
That's hot, right?
Let me see. It's hot.
Ooh, so tight. The rear looks great. The front, we gotta fuck with it a little bit. Look at that gap, dude. We gotta do one of them, a nice little cunt. So guys, this is the last piece that we need for Jip's car. Thought he finished it a while ago, to tell you the truth. This is the task I handed him a while ago, but it needs a bung welded on the downpipe for his AFR gauge, and then it needs a hanger welded onto behind the resonator so it can hang up because it hangs too low. So we're gonna bring that out really quick, throw that on. I'll hook his AFR gauge up, and maybe we'll try and mess with the tune again tonight and see if she'll hit. Great. Thanks. You're doing great, sweetie.
Hungover!
He hasn't lost it yet. He's still intoxicated. Hey, my guys.
Jip's exhaust should be all set. He's gonna hook it up now, hopefully. We'll get the AFR gauge in, and then redo his addiction timing, and then hopefully we can put the base map in. I mean, after that, technically it should be drivable. Fingers crossed. RJ's playing around with the Miata. There's a few coolant leaks. The turbo kit didn't really touch any of the coolant lines. We did change the, we did remove the coolant stuff, and we did change radiator hoses. For some reason, the new one's leaking. The water neck was leaking, but we fixed that. Just a bunch of shakedown issues, no worries. DJ's car is looking mighty fine. It's still monster truck in the front. I don't know what he's doing. He's getting on the ground though.
What up, boy?
What up? Alright, I got Jip's exhaust in. DJ loaded his car more. That's the most the fronts want to go. He's gonna remove a locking collar later, but they'll break in, they'll drop a little bit more, but I mean, it's clean. It's a thin wall tire, so who knows. The rear is tucking heavy though. I don't know what RJ's doing over there, but hopefully he's not breaking anything.
Looks like I've got the coolant sorted out. I'll find out after I drive it. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold. I need to put a little bit more pressure on it and figure out what's going on with that, but for the meantime, I'm gonna throw on the other map that Jack sent, cut out a little bit more fuel and a few other things, hopefully get a little more power out of it. Gonna throw that together before Jake comes and grabs this laptop, and then I have no tuning methods whatsoever. But I should probably definitely invest in this. And then we're gonna go have some fun!
DJ's washing his car for the first time. Man, does it look so much better. RJ, what are you doing?
Did you want to maybe watch the clips later and find out? You want me to say it all over again?
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, I vlogged.
Nice.
I vlogged. I ain't scared.
Look at him. Look at his eyes.
You okay?
420 was yesterday.
Chill.
What is happening? What is that?
Why is it all wet?
To be honest, I don't even know.
God damn, does that thing look good wet?
Yeah, no, you can use my brush. It's mine, bitch.
I was using my hand, it's all good.
You can use it, you cock smug.
Nah, my fingers work better.
Yeah, I'm sure that's what she said too.
All right, guys, so we've been a little spotty today. We just been kind of enjoying ourselves, having a good time. But we got Jip's car all set basically for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go through the base map setup again, and maybe we could actually drive the budget hatch tomorrow. It's been a long time coming, but I'm really excited for it. I hope you guys are too, so stay tuned for tomorrow. I really hope that happens, but a lot is actually, tomorrow's gonna be a really busy day actually. We got a lot going on, and I'm buying something new for the shop if anything goes together. So we're gonna do a little mod that we've been doing that I've been doing to like freaking every car lately, and I'm really loving it, and I think we'll do a lot for the Skyline. So what are we doing?
We're gonna put some extendos on the skirts.
Exactly. So we're gonna do the little skirt extension that I did on the, basically I have on both my Z's and my BMW at this point. Now I bought an extra set for my red Z, and they're on the long side, but they happen to be the exact same length as the Skyline side skirt, which is like perfect. So DJ's just gonna order me a new set for the red Z. We're gonna throw this set on the Skyline, and dude, look how much this thing cleaned up. So we're gonna add a little bit of a aggressiveness right here. There, DJ?
Yeah.
Well,
What happened to you?
wait, 420 was yesterday?
What do you think, Jip? Nice. Definitely mount these a little aggressive, but they look good. The body like curves in, so like if you look at here. All right, let's finish this side and then really look at her.
I did.
Black on black. It's all right, just duffing up some Type M side skirts, but it's nothing. Oh, love it.
Let's just put it up.
We got Hager North out here. What's up, guys?
What up, SC?
Not saying shit. You fucking thing. Ice Trader Gang. Ice Trader Gang. Ice Trader Gang. Huh? I'm touching my car for the first time in a long time.
Touch up this?
Do you want to fill the tube in? I don't think I'm ready to show them the secret yet. Oh, I can't show them the paint code. Not available at Home Depot if anyone was wondering. Very custom.
Say you got some, chip paint or dirt in your engine bay. Get your detailer spray. Throw it away. You don't need it. Look at that. No more chip.
What dirt? Let's find a dirt spot.
Shake it way more.
Boof, be gone.
Blend it. There we go.
Set me right, Jimmy. Looks like Brian Hall's work from here.
It's a good 20-footer. More aesthetics with Drew Tube.
With Drew Tube.
So,
Boof, be gone.
say you have some boof trim like this.
For instance, Boof Trim, Exhibit A.
Also known as BIM.
Yourself a nice roll of quality electrical tape.
Courtesy of Don. From Jimmy's shop. This is why you're out of electrical tape. I just asked Jimmy for electrical tape and he said he's fresh out.
That's another way to do it.
It's a great way to do it.
Yeah, look at that.
Deboofing with Drew Tube.
Deboofing starring the Boof Master.
Looks fantastic.
Dan, does the Skyline look good though?
So the wheels are a little weird fitting. They're not like any Stancy Boy fitment. It's just what we had, but I mean they look good. That lip's kind of nice. Nice little change for a day, you know.
Oh, God, I'm so annoying, but this looks so good.
DJ, two-step it.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
100%. All right. That scares the piss out of me every
I felt
time.
my hair move. Yeah, dead ass. I felt my bun move.
Probably should have let idle after that, but okay.
It was misfiring.
I got the pillar gauge in a while ago. I disappeared for like 2 hours because I feel like driving the car. I've only got the AFR gauge in. My boost gauge doesn't come in until Monday, so I'll take this back off. Wire that all in there. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I'm pretty happy. I can't really complain. The only thing I'm gonna ask Jack is if he can do the anti-lag on there or the two steps. You know what I'm talking about, so I can annoy the shit out of my neighbors. Other than that, I'm stoked. Gives me a boner when I drive it. Donna also gives me a boner.
So this is a car show tomorrow. Just more of an excuse to just see a lot of friends we haven't seen in a long time, but I only put one of my side skirts splitters on the E36, so I gotta finish it up tonight. Slacking. The car looks so good.
Yeah, this car is stupid.
Who wants the red Z?
Get rid of the red Z. 5K, I'll buy it right now.
Just raffle it.
Collecting
Why don't you to
insurance.
raffle the red Z?
Raffle the red Z.
I want something cooler.
This is the cool one anyways.
Yeah, that's true.
D. Right?
We'll trade for FD.
We'll trade for
Yeah.
FZ.
Get rid of this. Yeah,
don't
we'll
think-
trade for a clean FD.
I don't think anyone would do that.
I think someone would. Hit Jimmy up. If you have an FD, you want to trade for an LSZ.
No one better freaking trade them.
Guys, it's done. She's on there.
Double lip little action today, but that's about it. We uploaded the corrected map that Jack sent us, and RJ definitely noticed it. He's obsessed with the car. He's been driving it. What? He's been doing hot laps all day.
All day. He's
All
been
day.
missing. We're like, where's RJ? And his car's missing.
Yeah, he's still gone.
He's obsessed with the thing, but that's awesome. That's exactly what you want, want out of your car, and I'm happy RJ experienced that. We got DJ's car finally low on the ground. Shout out to BC, shout out to Adam LZ. Make sure to go check him out. I'll put the link in the description to Adam's website. So besides that, I mean, we got the wheels on the R32. They're just temporary, but DJ likes them. They're not bad, right?
Yeah, they look good. I like them.
So that's about it. Jip's car is actually like ready. Like we've said, it was like ready a lot of times, but this time it's like actually ready. So tomorrow's gonna be a busy day. We have a car show in the morning. Just mainly, it's more gonna be like a meet to see our friends because, local guys. Because I think UMass is having a car show tomorrow, and it seems like that's where everyone else is going, like the bigger dudes. And we're not trying to do that tomorrow. But and then from there, hopefully everything works out. I'll be buying another big purchase for the shop.
It's gonna be sweet.
Hopefully it doesn't get messed up, and then we'll come back. We'll get the base map on Jip's car, and hopefully we can pull out the garage under its own power. That's the goal for tomorrow. So that's about it, guys. I hope you liked today's video, and you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and
Have a great night.
fuck.
First.